Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the 2022 The Rolling Stones Music Legends 1-ounce gold bullion coins. These coins are issued by the Royal Mint as part of the official Music Legends series, which has proven to be a popular release. The Rolling Stones are one of the biggest bands in history, with hits including Paint It Black, Satisfaction, Sympathy for the Devil and Jumping Jack Flash. The band formed in 1962 and to date have released 30 studio albums and 23 live albums. The reverse of this coin, designed by Hannah Fazaklia, captures the iconic rock and roll band performing on stage in front of a live crowd. The design includes a classic 1973 The Rolling Stones font with the dates 62 to 22 to mark the 60th anniversary of the band. The border reads 2022 1-ounce fine gold 999.9. The obverse features the 5th definitive UK coin portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jodie Clark. The coin reads Elizabeth II, DG, Reg, FD, £100. These coins hold a fineness of 999.9, hold 1 troy-ounce of the precious metal, and weigh 31.21 grams. The diameter of this coin measures 32.7mm, and they have a limited mintage of just 4,000 coins. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.